You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I am going to be trying out these lashes right here. These are the Kiss Triple Push-Up Collection Lash Couture lashes, and these are in the style Bustier. I received these in my recent Vox box from Influenster, and I'm so excited to try these out. Now, fun fact, I never wear false lashes. I always just wear my natural lashes and just pile on the mascara. So for today, I want to test these out and give my first impressions and a little mini review for you guys. So if you're interested in these lashes and seeing what they're all about, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I am a little nervous. Like I said, I don't usually wear false lashes. I think the last time I actually wore false lashes out was at my sister's wedding, and that was a long time ago. So yeah, we're gonna test these out. These lashes do come with their own lash glue, and hopefully this is a good adhesive here. So these are what the lashes actually look like out of the package. So they're really pretty, they're nice and full. Maybe they won't be too dramatic, I don't know, but we're gonna find out here. And to my untrained eye, these kind of look like mink lashes a little bit, just a little bit. I think I could be way off here. So I'm just gonna peel these off, and y'all are gonna have to bear with me again, you know. This is gonna be a learning process for me. Okay, so I'm thinking that the shorter lashes here go on the inner corner. So that's what we're gonna do. And I would think the longer lashes go on the outer corner. And this strip is looking a little long for my eye. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so I see a lot of people use tweezers, so maybe that'll help me here. Yeah, this strip is a little long for my eye, I think. But I'm also kind of scared to cut it because I don't want to cut it too short. And if I cut it, should I cut it from the short end or should I cut it from the long end? Might want to cut a little bit of this end off, maybe. Can y'all see what I'm saying? Should I cut from this end, which is the short end, or from this end, which is the long end? And I haven't put glue on it yet. I'm just trying to see how to position it. I'm gonna cut a little bit off this long end right here. Hopefully I don't cut too much. Okay, and I think this might be a little better for my eye. All right, y'all, we're just gonna go for it. Should I put eyeliner on? I feel like maybe I should put some eyeliner on. Let me try that, just a second. So maybe that'll help to hide any imperfections. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on here. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous. And I'm trying to kind of bend this a little bit because it's just a little like straight across. Yeah, I think that's gonna be better. Okay, here we go. Okay, so get my tweezers ready there. And put some glue on here. Okay, you guys, so I think I got this one lash on pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this other lash on really quickly. I think my battery is dying, so yeah. So I did end up, like I said, I had to cut a little bit off of this lash, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this one and cut just a little bit off the end here. Listen. Okay, so give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Do you like these lashes? And again, these were sent over to me complimentary from Influenster in my Vox box, and they were just sent over for me to review, to test out. So they are kids lashes, and they are the triple push-up collection, and these are called Bustier. Quite comfortable on the eyes, and again, I'm not a lash wearer, and I put these on without much difficulty. Again, I do have an untrained eye, so to someone that wears lashes on a regular basis, you might be like, girl, keep practicing. But I'm quite proud of myself right now, and yeah, I'm super duper excited that I actually got this done and on camera. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Again, I want to thank Influenster for sending these over for me to try out. If you need any additional information, I'll leave it all in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know some lash application tips. This might be my new thing, y'all. I don't know. I'm excited. All right, you guys. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.